You sleep 8 hours, still wake up tired. You hit snooze again and again. Rush your morning, feel lazy all day. And at night, you scroll, delay, overthink, repeat. Bro, it's not just about how long you sleep. It's about how well you sleep. Today, I'm going to show you how to sleep less and still wake up feeling sharp, fresh, and focused. We've been told, sleep 8 hours or you're done. But here's the truth. Sleep works in cycles, not hours. Each cycle equals about 90 minutes. If you wake up in the middle of a cycle, you feel like trash, even after 8 hours. But if you wake up at the end of a cycle, even 6 hours can feel amazing. That's why sometimes you sleep 5 hours and feel okay, and sometimes 9 hours and feel dead. Try this tonight. Sleep in multiples of 90 minutes. 6 hours, 4 cycles. 7.5 hours, 5 cycles. Avoid random times like 7 or 8.2 hours. Your body will thank you. But wait, even perfect timing won't help if your brain is still awake at night. Let's fix that. You're not bad at sleeping. Your brain is just overstimulated. Phone, reels, stress, overthinking about exams, future, life. Your body is tired, but your mind is still running a marathon. I know that feeling, lying in bed, eyes closed, but your thoughts just won't shut up. Do this 30 minutes before bed. No phone. Yes, I know it's hard, but this is the game changer. Dim the lights. Your brain starts producing melatonin. Brain dump. Write everything on paper, tasks, stress, random thoughts. Slow your body down. Deep breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6 seconds. This tells your brain, relax, we're safe, time to sleep. Now imagine this. You fall asleep faster, but still wake up tired. That's because your morning is broken. The biggest mistake, you wake up and grab your phone. Instant dopamine, instant distraction, instant energy crash later. Your brain becomes lazy before your day even starts. Try this 3-step system. No phone for 20 minutes, protect your brain. Sunlight or bright light, stand near a window. This resets your body clock instantly. Move your body, push-ups, stretching, walk. You don't need motivation, you need momentum. Now here's the part nobody tells you. It's not always sleep, it's your energy leaks. Junk food, no movement, constant scrolling, no purpose. Your body isn't tired, your life is draining you. Sometimes it's not that you need more sleep, you just need a better reason to wake up. Drink water first thing in the morning, eat light, not heavy. Study in focused blocks, 25 to 45 minutes. Take short breaks, not long distractions. Energy comes from clarity and action, not just rest. So if we put everything together, sleep less but feel more fresh. Sleep in multiples of 90 minutes. No phone before bed. Calm your brain at night. No phone after waking up. Get light and movement early. Fix your daily habits. Do this consistently, and your 6 to 7 hours will feel better than 9 hours. You don't need perfect discipline. You just need small changes repeated daily. Start tonight, not tomorrow, not Monday, tonight, because your future depends on how you show up every morning. If this helped you even a little, hit like. Subscribe for more real student life strategies, and share this with a friend who always says, "Bro, I slept but still tired." Let's fix that together.